We detected unusual options activity on AstraZeneca, AZN, on Friday, August 18, 5,591 contracts, paying $128 per contract. So this trade value was about $715,000. Okay, and because the value is not greater than a million, we do not have a very large position size on this. The way we are trading it is quite similar, and you can see here for the September 15th 70 strike calls, there are 20,000 volume total. Okay, the way we traded it, instead of just buying the call outright, which is something like this on the profit loss diagram, we bought the 70 strike call and also sold the 72.5 strike call. That's a vertical call spread here. You can see that this is our trade. It looks like this on the Greeks. We have a -1 theta risk here, +18 delta. Okay, when we take a look at the call options, the unusual options, you can see that this theta risk is a lot greater at -3.45. However, they do have a much larger delta, 40 delta. Okay, we prefer to have a lower risk and instead of a higher delta, and especially because this trade was not in the millions. Okay, if we wanted a 40 delta, it's also very easy to do that with a call spread, simply just adding more contracts. Okay, you can see that our trade here, this vertical call spread, also cost less, only $74 each, whereas the unusual options cost about $125 each. Okay, so you could get two of them, and you could see that your delta is now at 37, which is very close to 40. Okay, so one of the things to keep in mind is also that when the stock is currently trading at a Fibonacci technical level, okay, if we pull a Fibonacci from the low to the high, you could see that we are at this 50% Fibonacci level right now. Okay, so if you are a technical trader, that's something to keep a note of. And also, there was another unusual options activity here for 2,959, 65 strike puts. You can see that over here for September 22's volume, much greater than the open interest. So we know these are opening trades. For this, we believe they're selling this. This is a moderately bullish trade. Okay, the profits are capped at the credit that they sold it for, which was about $62. Okay, it's not very bullish, very just moderately bullish, selling to collect premium. Okay, but the 70 strike calls are very bullish, and so that is something to keep a note of. All right, and so the call spread is what we are doing, and as we mentioned, we are not putting a lot of position sizing into unusual options activity that are worth less than $1 million. If it is in the millions, then we would put more, and we also share it with our members that are part of our membership. We provide exclusive videos on other stocks besides AstraZeneca. Whenever we detect unusual options activity in the market that are valued much greater than $1 million, when wealthy investors put a lot more, that means they've done a lot more research and they have a lot more confidence in a stock price movement, whether it's going up or down. We will either go long or short, bullish or bearish. And if you're interested in these exclusive videos, I encourage you to join our membership to gain access immediately to our videos. We update new ideas every week, literally, maybe even every day. Sometimes we have trades coming in based on these unusual options activity. So if you're interested in that, to diversify your portfolio, join our membership by clicking the join button on our channel homepage to learn more. Take care, everybody, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend.